coming up quick now.
764 rescue vehicles.
Come on.
You're good to go from Fly to Walkmore. Don't be left on the side of the road. Be part of Queensland's largest club. Call 13 1905 or visit racq.com 24 hours every day. One awesome weekend away. One day in the sales. One memorable New Year's Eve.
Got a bit deep. Wow. Barely get into Logan.
Westbound just before Kingston Road, exit on the Logan motorway at Logan Lee. We have a truck and trailer that's gone through the barriers and rolled, several cars involved. Regarding the location, if you're on the Logan Road, westbound just before the Station Road exit. We're unsure of any injuries at this stage.